Hey, how are we all doing? It's Ben from EQL Networks and Security. Today we're going to be comparing the new Dahua 3666 series versus the outgoing 3641. These cameras are great all-round cameras and are the most popular cameras from the Dahua range. Even though both of these cameras are identical externally, are they still the same camera, or actually are there differences? Well, we're going to find out. So the part number for each camera is actually going to be listed here. So let's get right into this. So both cameras are a 6 megapixel PoE camera with built-in mics with smart motion detection and with sense. They've also got localized camera storage capability with up to 256 gigabytes micro SD cards per camera. They also have built-in IR LEDs. Now, they still support the tripwire and intrusion detection. However, the AI is apparently better in the new 3666 series. So in this comparison, we're actually looking at the 2.8mm lens versions of these cameras, but just for note, they also come in 3.6mm lens. So let's compare some specs.